Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about the Feekaa hair dryer for the kids and I'm going to review this product today. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you will get the latest updates.
Mama.
Can you hold this?
Hold this? Wow,
Can
Tani,
you hold
wow,
this?
wow.
Wow, this is for you.
Oh, yeah.
This is for you, Shona.
That's a very nice.
Wow.
My daughter is so excited about this product, so let's open it.
Wow.
Wow. Look at this. Wow, so beautiful. Wow. Do you like it? Wow.
Wow.
I'm so excited to try this Feekaa hair dryer on my daughter's hair. So this hair dryer comes with the green and the pink color, and you can find the product description on the side of this box. As you can find the product description and you can see the model number. The rated voltage is 100V to 125V. Rated frequency is 60 Hz. Rated power is 500 watt. Weight is 350 gram and the power cord length is 180 centimeter. And you can find the product size and the modes. Let's check this out. What's inside this box? Inside this box, you can find the warranty card of this product and the cute little stickers to stick around the hair dryer. This is so cute stickers. My daughter gonna love this. Here it comes, the cute little hair dryer. As you can see, I chose the green color. This is so beautiful. And you can find the manual also, so you can take care of your dryer. So let's check this out. I love this model's sleek design, and this blow dryer has a temperature control setting. This is very handy and very lightweight, so your small kids are able to handle this hair dryer with their small hands for a long time. And of course, the plug-in is a US plug-in and it has a taste and the reset button for your safety. And this hair dryer is a perfect gift for your kids' birthday parties or the mom's baby shower. This is so cute stickers, so she can customize her own hair dryer.
Good job. Sony, where is the teddy bear? Where is teddy bear sticker? Where is the teddy bear sticker? Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Yeah, this is so cute.
I'm going to try this hair dryer. So there is a couple settings on this hair dryer. So you need to be pushed in to turn the hair dryer on. As you can see, the sound is so low. So there is a cool setting, there is a hair setting and the skin setting as well. If you want to dry your kid's skin, you have to use the 100° Fahrenheit for the skin and the 125° for the hair. She loves to make her hair with this hair dryer.
If you like this video, please do like and share, and you will find the product link into the description box below. Thanks for watching.